Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Rumble Creator Studio, upload and monetize videos step by step clearly. Visit the Rumble homepage. Click on the login button located at the top right corner. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Type in your password in the password field. Click on the login button to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Creator Studio option from the main dashboard. In Creator Studio, you will see options for uploading videos. Click on the Upload Video button to start the process. Select the video file you wish to upload from your device. Fill in the required fields, including the video title, description, and tags. Adjust the video settings to your preference, such as privacy options and monetization settings. Review your video to ensure everything is set correctly. When ready, click on the Publish button to upload your video. Wait for the upload process to complete and confirm that your video is uploaded successfully. To monetize your video, ensure you meet Rumble's eligibility requirements. Set up your monetization preferences in the Creator Studio settings. Monitor your video's performance from the Analytics section of Creator Studio. Engage with your audience by responding to comments on your videos. Consistently upload content to grow your channel and enhance your monetization potential. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.